Fletcher from All Things Overlanding here, and today I'm going to show you this VEVOR hammock chair. I'm actually really excited about this. I've used it a little bit around the house, but this is my first camping trip with it. But this thing is awesome. If you want a chair that is comfortable, packs down relatively small for the comfort level you get, and is pretty inexpensive, this might be a good option for your camping trips. So if you want to learn more about the VEVOR camping chair, stay tuned.
Understand where it came from, but you got it, my got it. It began in the land of the sandstorm. I fought it, though I wanted everything to do with what you gave to me. Loosening my grip.
All right, guys, so as I mentioned in the intro, today I'm talking about this VEVOR hammock camping chair. This thing's awesome, but this thing runs about 80 bucks. So if you're wondering about the price, it fluctuates a little bit. So I'm going to put a link in the description below if you want to get one for yourself, or if you want to just learn more about it and check out all the features, go down there. But again, I'm going to walk you through everything on this chair today, show you how to set it up, show you how to tear it down, show you kind of how big it is when it's torn down, which is actually not too bad considering how comfortable this thing is. But again, I'm going to set it up here. I'm just going to show it to you. Just wanted to share this option with you if you are looking for kind of a different, unique style camping chair. We've all seen the GCI rockers. We've seen sort of the director style chairs. We've got the, you know, sort of pole style chairs. They're a little bit of a pain to set up. This thing is actually really, really quick to set up, really easy to set up, and extremely comfortable, and you can swing in it. So again, I'm excited to use this on this camping trip. All right, so let's start by taking this thing out of the bag, and then I'm going to show you just how easy this thing is to set up. At first I was a little worried because I'm like, it's a hammock and it's a chair and all that stuff. I was like, how, you know, hard or easy is this going to be to set up? It's extremely easy. So as you can see, this is the bag. Again, not too bad. I would say about the size of like a standard Walmart chair that you might pick up, maybe a little bit wider, but it's actually not as big as I expected. So essentially it's two pieces. So you're going to pull the fabric part out first, which is your hammock section. And then you've got your base. Now, the nice thing about this base is that it's really super wide. So when you set this thing up, it's actually extremely stable. So as you can see, all you do is, there's these two pins with these bright yellow things on them. You pull those, and then that is what's gonna free it up to pull this up. So like that is how you fold it up, fold it down. You simply expand it outwards until the base locks in place. You'll hear that click. So now we're gonna put the hammock section on. As you can see, there is a seat bottom and then there's a seat back. And then there's these two sort of plastic ends, and basically they slide over these posts. And once you do that, you're done. It's literally that easy. It's putting these two post tops on top, and then you're all set up. Now when you sit in this thing, it's a hammock chair, right? So you can swing in it. It's actually surprisingly comfortable. These up here are armrests, so you can put your arms on them. Now on this side too, you've also got a nice little cup holder here. It's actually pretty stout, so if you had a beer or adult beverage or a Coke or something like that. Now the materials are extremely heavy duty. The chair is made of a steel alloy, so it's very strong and rust resistant as well. With this cushion on the back of it, again, it's very comfortable. You can just kind of lay back and rock. Now, one more thing to point out is that these straps are adjustable. You do have this little buckle here, and you can lift up on it to loosen this. So if you feel like you're leaning too far back, you can just pull this tighter, and this will pull up that slack and make the back a little bit more upright. So that's kind of nice that you do have some adjustability. But again, just with the structure of this chair, it's got some rigid pulls on the side, some rigid ones that hold the back up. So when you're not sitting in it, you can still, you know, the chair maintains its shape, so it's easy to get back into and jump into and sit back down. Plus you get to look really super cool and not nerdy at all, rocking in a chair at camp like this. Ah, nice. Just wanted to give you a side view here. Again, all the ladies at camp are gonna see you in this chair and think, man, that guy is not a child at all in a rocking chair. So trying to impress the ladies, maybe this chair isn't for you, but if you're just looking for something kind of comfortable and fun and relaxing to sit around a campfire, this may be a good one. But super, super easy to work, super comfortable, and super nice. So if you were looking for something that's a little bit different but didn't want to break the bank and spend $1 million, this may be a good option for you.